building skate park. So we planned this in 2011-12, and 2016 is when we got our first break to build a skate park in Nerul. That was the first official skate park of, like Navi Mumbai basically. I'm Altamash, I'm the founder of Bombay SB. We've been building skate parks for the last 3 odd years now. And this is the first skate park in Bombay. We've successfully, made this happen in Bandra, in the heart of the city. And like you can see, everyone is just enjoying. Even right now, people skate at various, like pockets of Bombay. The idea of the space is basically to connect everyone. So it's basically brought the whole community together. That's the kind of impact that I see right now.
So currently the scene is at the top, I would say. Earlier we didn't have a single skating park.
There was 0 skate parks. Like the only place you could skate is flat streets, where in a city like Bombay there are cars coming, so it's difficult and dangerous.
We used to fight with the roller skaters and we used to get kicked out from there.
So when we got kicked out of that place, that's when I actually thought, like we should actually have our own park. And this is where, the journey started.
Hi, my name is Sheikh Rizwan. I am co-founder of Bombay SB. और आज हम लोगों ने कंक्रीट ले किया है और ये आज हमारा पैच किया हुआ। अभी इसको सुबह मॉर्निंग में 7:30 पोर किया है इसको, तो अभी लगभग इसको 7 से 8 घंटे जाएंगे, डिपेंड टेम्परेचर के ऊपर डिपेंड है ये। तो ये हमारा 8 घंटे का प्रोसेस है। अलग अलग टूल्स है जो अलग अलग टाइमिंग पे चलाना पड़ता है ये फिनिश अचीव करने के लिए।
See, the thing is, we are kindly focusing on public skate parks, so it's a very tedious process, and also it's because there's too much of bureaucracy that's happening. There's a lot of politics which goes on, and too many heads involved, and too many people trying to do too many different things. When they see what we've been building, they kind of realize the potential of the place.
To make a career in skateboarding, it's gonna take a while. It's there, it's possible.
Like we are in a generation where TikTok and Instagram and like there's a lot of content being made, and skateboarding is very cinematic. Everybody likes a skateboarding video or a BMX video. They have so many followers, all these skateboarders and BMXers.
But only if there is either infrastructure to support it and the infrastructure continues to go on, which I really hope it does.
I think in the next 10 years, we'll definitely have a big impact on the whole world. There will be a lot of parks in India. In fact, there will be hundreds and thousands of skateboarders in India, because in 10 years I think there will be people who will be aiming to becoming a professional athlete, or representing the country in these competitions.
I love the fact that you can do whatever you want with the board. You need not skate like a certain person. There are no rules.
Creating a new space for an alternative subculture, because you see a lot of creative people come here. There are musicians, there are designers, there are artists, skateboarders. They all want to be felt inclusive in a way, and this space actually gives them their identity.